Hi, my name is Catherine Tran and I'm a senior here at the Biomed Academy. Today, in this video, we will show you some of the amazing spaces that we have here in the Academy and share some of our best experiences. We're excited to show you around, but first, let's take a look at what makes the Biomed Science Academy so special to us and our school.
Hello there, my name is Michael Southworth and I am a junior here at the Biomed Academy. The program first started back in 2013 with 60 freshman students. They had one teacher and one science course. However, over the last 8 years, there's been a very dramatic change. We now have 450 students across all grade levels. We have 12 academy teachers and 14 cohorted classes. Last year, we received National Gold certification from the Linked Learning Alliance. Only a few schools across the country have that type of recognition. Now, why don't we see some of the awesome spaces we offer here at Biomed?
Teachers in our Biomed Academy work with their grade level cohort teachers to create integrated projects and provide student supports. For example, students in my 9th grade Principles of Biomedical Sciences class are also taking Honors English 9 with Mr. Tilton. During distance learning, we hold daily combined office hours and reach out to students through combined weekly emails and monthly newsletters. We've also coordinated integrated projects including fictional survivor stories of a deadly pandemic, safety protocols for dangerous viruses, and diet analysis presentations. Our academy teachers know that our students need to collaborate, but we also know that we must model that collaboration first among ourselves.
This is Ana Alatorre. I'm a junior in the Biomed program, and I'm going to be talking about Room 104. So Room 104 is really fun because it has the 8 Nareva boards. The technology in Room 104 is really cool because it gives us Biomed students a chance to cooperate and work with each other on the big 8 Nareva boards. Personally, why Room 104 is my favorite is because it gives us Biomed students a chance to work with each other, which is something we don't normally get in the regular classroom because it's both the classes combined. And I love working with other people and seeing other people from other classes.
Hello, my name is Stephanie Galindo and I'm a sophomore in the Biomed Academy. I want to share with you my experience learning with our new Anatomage table. Since we have not been able to be on campus this year, this Anatomage table has allowed us to still conduct virtual dissections and be able to investigate the systems of the human body. During the brain dissection assignment in my HBS class, we were able to see the actual parts of the brain that work together to make us function. One reason why I'm excited about using this Anatomage table when we return to school is that we will be able to dissect, investigate, and explore real cadavers in a digital format. This will help us really visualize the macro and micro structures of the human body without all the mess.
Hi, my name is Portland Anthony and I'm a junior in the Biomed Academy. My favorite space at Eastside is Lab 245, or what we call Z-Space. Z-Space is a 3D computer that allows us to see and interact with the human body. Computers gives access for students to have an amazing experience while learning about the human body system. Another reason why I love working in Lab 245 is that it makes the environment of learning about different parts of the human body feel so real and fun.
Hello, my name is Shady Kerr and I'm a senior in the biomedical pathway. I'm here to talk to you about the 3D printers that we have in Lab 245. We have the opportunity to showcase our skills with the 3D software and machinery within our biomedical innovation courses, where we can showcase our biological creations.
Hi, my name is Nguyen and I am a junior in the Biomed Academy. My favorite part of being in the Academy is taking part in cross-curricular assignments and projects that we get to do, especially with English and science. One example of a cross-curricular assignment that we've done is a poster for CTE awareness that we created in English based on information in Biomed. This project taught me how to be collaborative, but most importantly how to be safe during sports since I am a part of the soccer team.
Hello, my name is Marco Castaneda and I'm a senior in the Biomed Academy. In addition to the cool and innovative spaces we have at school, we also have some amazing science classrooms as well. One experience that I had in my science classrooms were all the labs. They were really fun and engaging. We did a lot of dissecting, chemical work, working with different material, and pH testing, and they were all really fun. And I feel like the Biomed science classrooms are more advanced compared to our regular ones, and I think they're also really fun.
Hello, my name is Nyla Winden and I am a junior in the Biomed Academy. Another cohorted classrooms that you will have sophomore through senior year are your history classes. The history classes are beneficial to your growth in the academy by allowing you to sit in a group of 4 with your classmates and your friends and being able to discuss assignments all together. Having everyone's input on assignments are always a big help. And one experience that I had in my history classes was when we would rotate from table to table, being able to look at everyone's work and everyone's notes and being able to take those notes from your other classmates that you may not have gotten from the lesson.
Hello, my name is Zeta Ramirez and I'm a senior in the Biomed Academy. The specialty class that is offered to the Biomed students is sports medicine. This class offers first-hand experience on what it takes to become an athletic trainer. While in this class, I have access to sportsman training room and all the equipment you will ever need. This also comes with a lot of responsibility, from the equipment you use to working with athletes. You always need to be on top of your game, but from my experience, this becomes second nature. From cheering on your school while also providing the team with the necessary tools to play at such a high level.
Hello, my name is Jacob Morales. I'm a senior in the Biomed Academy at Eastside. So what I'm going to be talking about is the hallway that we use as students within the academy. The Biomed hallway allows for an efficient and effective way for us students to do work in a quieter environment and pass through classes in an efficient manner. So for example, for me, when I was a sophomore, I would go from Gonzalez's room to Gomez's room because they're at two ends of the hallway, and I would just go pass through, and it would be really quick, efficient, and it would get the job done.
Hello, my name is Katie Munz and I'm a sophomore in the Biomed Academy. Another great part of being in Biomed is the opportunity to listen to guest speakers. Some notable guest speakers that I've listened to are Juan Salez, a respiratory therapist, and Jared Kortler, an EMT. One experience that I've had from listening to Juan Salez was when he shared a story of how he witnessed a young lady with serious health complications and almost zero chance of surviving make a full recovery. The fact that he contributed to her recovery was amazing to hear. This story shows just how rewarding a career in the medical field can be for someone who desires to dedicate their life to helping others, just like Juan.
Hello, my name is Brianna Flores and I'm a senior in the Biomed Academy. In addition to all of the great things we get to do on campus, we also get to learn off campus by going on biomed-specific field trips. Some memorable field trips that we went on were to Kaiser, the water treatment plant, AVU, and the California Science Center. One experience that I had from our field trip to Kaiser was how they showed us how they made and used microscope slides. We saw firsthand how they added a single drop of blood to a slide, then added other chemicals to make the white blood cells and red blood cells visible under a microscope.
Hi, my name is Chase Gomez and I'm a sophomore at the Biomed Academy. One of the best parts of being on campus was all of the fun labs we got to do. Some of the most memorable labs were the heart dissection and the calorimetry lab. Since we've been on distance learning, we still do labs just in a modified way. My favorite lab from this year was the reflex lab.
Hey guys, my name is Jasmine Elion. I am a senior at Eastside High School, a part of the Biomed Academy and of HOSA Club. HOSA is a program for teenagers interested in future health professions. We work hard all year to train for a competition in state finals. One memorable experience from HOSA's leadership conference is you get exposed to different aspects of medicine, such as terminology, dental, and awareness.
Thank you for watching this quick snapshot of the Biomed Academy. Thank you to everyone at the CTE that has made these experiences possible for me and my fellow Academy students.